Welcome to Music Manila Expo 2026, where music, technology, and innovation come together to create an unforgettable audio experience. And bringing the power to the stage is Sandy Audio. A leading speaker and audio equipment brand built to deliver powerful sound, crystal clear performance, and next-level audio experiences. From every beat to every note, Sandy Audio brings the sound that moves the crowd. Feel the sound. Experience the power. Experience Sandy Audio.
Sandy Audio was founded in 1995 and based in Guangzhou, China. So Sandy Audio is a leading professional and manufacturer with a 50,000 square meter industrial park. So they specialize in R&D, production, and sales of professional, active, and audio systems. So line arrays, loudspeakers, and amplifiers for live events, concerts, and rentals. This is the third time that we joined the Music Manila Expo.
Nung una kong narinig yung Sandy Audio, 2 years ago, nagustuhan ko agad siya. Nung narinig ko siya, happy ko, ay, ang ganda ng tunog, klaro.
Matibay talaga. Ito yung subok na sa market.
Hi, I'm John Balesteros from Jam Street Light and Sound Rental. When I first heard Sandy Audio Philippines, naging fan talaga ako because yung mga hinahanap ko na tunog ay narinig ko sa Sandy Audio and I was really impressed.
Manila nakakatulong sa mga brand. Nakikita at naririnig ng mga tao na pumupunta dito sa event na to, taon-taon. Dito kasi napaparinig kung gaano kaganda yung speakers, kung gaano kalakas, kung may power pa.
that started it all. When we met Sir Richard, we were more than impressed because we saw na yung passion ng owner ay parehas sa amin, and yung love niya sa pagbibigay ng good quality sa mga product, yun talaga yung hinahanap namin.
May reputasyon nyo sa Andy Audio kasi sa audio speakers. Chinese speaker siya, pero kumbaga ito ay isa sa mga high-end na brand ng China. Malinaw tumunog, maayos, at may power, hindi lang puro lakas.